come as close as you when you hear the wind blows. But through this unstoppable storm of love remains, it drives me insane. I feel we got so far in the game, now everything's on fire. How to make it come again? We're crashing like.
Alright, I think I found a place I can fish. So we're gonna try this out. Pretty sunny out. Let me get my sunglasses. Crazy invention, right? Sunglasses. That's better. Alright, let's go see if we can't catch a great white.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
I don't see why would it be able to fish here? No fishing signs. And there's water. There's rocks. Ooh. Let's see how rocks maybe I should have wore shoes too. There's nothing left to do, although no rainbow without you. Ways away, but maybe some damage. Well, I think it's safe to say I really should have brought shoes. I mean, getting down there is probably going to be easy. I mean, well, relatively easy. Getting up is going to suck. Especially in flip-flops. Hashtag fail. Why does it have to be so deep? If I had shoes on, it'd be a lot easier. I'd feel a lot more comfortable going down there. I'd just go on this rock, down there, over there, and then boop, boop, boop. Especially with cameras. Well, yeah, this is stupid with flip-flops on. Alright. Yeah, let's get out of here. There's gotta be a better spot. It's a beautiful day out though. See another pathway here. Let's see where people go. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Then it just drops. I didn't wear the proper footwear for this. Getting old when I say that. I don't need to break my ankle 5 days before I start a new job. Great video, James. I mean, this is rocky all down here, so we're gonna have to find a different avenue. How beautiful that is out there. I knew I should have brought freaking shoes. Idiot. Back to square one. I can't get there. These freaking flip-flops offer no traction, no support. So, I've been climbing on. Oh, Jesus. Why didn't I bring shoes? Let's go check out this other spot. Let's see if I can get down there. Alright, now we're going to go see if we can't find a different spot that doesn't have all those rocks. The good news is that I know those places exist. I just have to wear the right shoes and or be willing to break my ankle in flip-flops, which right now I'm not willing to do. I mean, I'm never really willing to do it, but well, looked at another spot. I think today is going to be officially called Fishing Reconnaissance Day. Oh, I hate sneezing. Ugh. So yeah, fishing reconnaissance day. I'm going to finish doing a little recon work, and then run some errands and do that whole thing. But then tomorrow, it's on. Catch some big fish. Oh, I did also. It's pretty cool to find a place that I can launch my kayak, like 8 minutes from my house. When I get a kayak, I don't have a kayak, but once I get a kayak, I can launch it right where I'm at. Pretty nice little area they got here. Crazy. All right, guys, a little more recon. Oh, snap. Woo! Little wavy, but I could wet a line in this. Huh. Good to know. Huh. It's a nifty little area. Neighbors is prohibited. I think I just stuffed in dog crap. Bunch of seagulls. Disturb them. Freaking hate seagulls. Cold beer, live music, good food. Huh. How do you know? Now this is flip-flop fishing. If I've ever seen it. I think I found a fishing spot. Whoa, look at that big guy. Holy cow. I don't think you can see him. That guy was massive. Wow. Alright. On my way to go grab some lunch. Gotta do some grocery shopping. Then go home. Finish cleaning, organization. Tomorrow, it's fishing time. Thinking about waking up early and going to see how crazy I want to get.